This isn't ordinary paper money. It's the Philippines' most advanced polymer banknote, engineered with remarkable security and precision.
Every transparent window and hidden security feature makes this remarkable banknote extremely difficult to reproduce accurately.
But every extraordinary banknote begins with ordinary raw materials before advanced technology transforms them into secure national currency. Specialized polymer resin is carefully melted and transformed into crystal-clear sheets using advanced industrial manufacturing technology.
The famous transparent security window is engineered directly into the polymer, creating protection impossible for ordinary paper currency.
Powerful laser scanners verify every millimeter, ensuring the polymer sheet meets exact standards before entering the printing process completely.
Powerful laser scanners verify every millimeter, ensuring the polymer sheet meets exact standards before entering the printing process completely. Finished polymer sheets become massive industrial rolls, ready for the next stage of precision security printing and advanced manufacturing. Now the polymer is ready. The world's most advanced printing systems will transform it into secure Philippine currency.
Next, precision intaglio printing forms the iconic Philippine Eagle, using raised ink that can be both seen and felt.
Next, precision intaglio printing forms the iconic Philippine Eagle using raised ink that can be both seen and felt.
Multiple security inks are applied with microscopic precision, creating vibrant colors that remain durable throughout years of circulation.
The transparent security window is precisely aligned, ensuring every finished banknote meets strict national security manufacturing standards.
Advanced AI inspection systems examine every banknote, ensuring only flawless Philippine currency continues to the next production stage.
Precision registration printing ensures every color and security element aligns perfectly before the next advanced manufacturing stage. Intaglio printing creates the raised texture that gives every genuine polymer banknote its distinctive touch and exceptional security.
Powerful optical scanners inspect thousands of microscopic details, ensuring every polymer banknote meets strict national quality standards before approval.
Invisible ultraviolet security features provide another powerful layer of protection against sophisticated counterfeiting attempts and unauthorized reproduction.
Advanced color-shifting security ink changes appearance with light, making the polymer banknote significantly more difficult to counterfeit accurately.
Microscopic security text invisible to the naked eye adds another sophisticated layer of protection against modern counterfeit technology today. Sophisticated holographic security technology creates dynamic visual effects that are extremely difficult for counterfeiters to duplicate successfully.
Artificial intelligence inspects every polymer banknote, ensuring only flawless currency continues toward the final manufacturing stages ahead.
Micron precision cutting transforms every printed polymer sheet into perfectly sized Philippine banknotes ready for detailed quality inspection.
Every banknote edge is inspected with laser precision to guarantee flawless dimensions before moving towards secure packaging operations.
Robotic sorting systems organize every approved polymer banknote into perfectly aligned stacks with remarkable speed and consistent accuracy.
Automatic counting systems create perfectly measured bundles, ensuring every package contains the exact number of approved polymer banknotes. Each approved bundle receives secure protective banding before continuing toward final packaging inside the country's highly protected currency facility. Precision weighing systems instantly confirm every currency bundle contains the exact quantity before final approval and secure transportation begins.
Artificial intelligence performs one final inspection, guaranteeing every approved bundle satisfies the nation's strict currency quality requirements before shipment.
Approved currency bundles are sealed inside secure containers, preparing them for protected delivery to the nation's central banking system.
The manufacturing journey is complete, and the finished polymer banknotes are now ready for secure delivery to the Bangko Sentral in Pilipinas.
After leaving the factory, every approved polymer banknote is transported under strict security to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Inside the central bank, finished currency enters one of the country's most secure vaults before nationwide distribution begins safely. Before distribution, sophisticated counting systems verify every bundle one final time to ensure complete accuracy across all shipments.
Advanced logistics systems organize secure shipments, preparing the new polymer currency for delivery across cities and provinces nationwide.
Status green, proceeding as planned. Copy that, securing the intersection ahead.
Secure shipments finally reach commercial banks, where every polymer banknote is verified before entering the country's financial circulation. High-speed counting machines verify every banknote once again, ensuring complete accuracy before customers receive the nation's newest currency.
Fresh polymer banknotes are loaded into ATM systems, preparing them for millions of secure withdrawals across the Philippines every day.
Okay, that's 1,000. Thank you very much. Here is your receipt and your change.
Polymer technology makes the banknote highly water-resistant, helping it remain clean and durable throughout years of everyday circulation. Every visible security feature works together, allowing people to quickly recognize an authentic Philippine polymer banknote with confidence every day.
The modern polymer design offers greater durability, cleanliness, and security, representing a significant advancement in Philippine currency technology today. From advanced polymer science to everyday transactions, this remarkable banknote represents innovation, security, and the future of Philippine currency. Every deposited polymer banknote is quickly authenticated before safely rejoining the country's secure banking circulation system once again. Secure cash transportation continuously redistributes currency, ensuring banks and businesses always receive enough authentic polymer banknotes for daily demand.
After serving customers throughout the day, polymer banknotes return to the banking system through secure commercial cash deposits every evening.
Fresh polymer banknotes are regularly loaded into ATMs, keeping secure cash available for millions of customers every single day. From advanced manufacturing to everyday commerce, one remarkable polymer banknote completes an extraordinary journey.
Ultraviolet inspection instantly reveals hidden security features invisible under normal light, protecting the polymer banknote against sophisticated counterfeiting.
Infrared technology verifies invisible security patterns, allowing professionals to confirm authenticity within seconds using advanced forensic equipment.
Artificial intelligence verifies multiple security layers simultaneously, making authentic polymer currency extremely difficult to counterfeit successfully worldwide.
Advanced polymer engineering represents the future of secure currency, combining durability, innovation, and sophisticated protection in a single banknote. One extraordinary journey transforms advanced polymer into trusted national currency, symbolizing innovation, security, and the future of the Philippines.
Even after years of circulation, the polymer banknote maintains remarkable durability, security, and public confidence throughout everyday financial transactions.
Millions of Filipinos trust this advanced polymer banknote every day because of its security, durability, and instantly recognizable design.
Every authentic polymer banknote supports thousands of daily transactions, helping businesses, families, and communities across the Philippines thrive together.
More than currency, this polymer banknote represents innovation, engineering excellence, and the Philippines' commitment to secure modern technology. From cutting-edge engineering to everyday life, the Philippine 1,000 peso polymer banknote continues its remarkable journey with every transaction. Advanced optical scanners verify microscopic security elements, ensuring every authentic polymer banknote meets the highest quality standards before circulation.
Its smooth polymer surface resists moisture and everyday dirt, helping the banknote remain cleaner throughout years of regular circulation. Designed for everyday life, polymer technology helps this banknote remain stronger, cleaner, and more reliable through constant public use. This innovative polymer banknote reflects the Philippines' dedication to secure technology, durability, and confidence in its national currency system.
From advanced engineering to everyday trust, the Philippine 1,000 peso polymer banknote stands as a remarkable achievement in modern currency design. One final intelligent inspection confirms every advanced security feature before the polymer banknote continues serving millions across the Philippines daily.
From busy cities to local communities, one secure polymer banknote supports countless everyday transactions with confidence and reliability nationwide.
Years of scientific research and precision engineering created one of the Philippines' most advanced and secure polymer banknotes ever produced.
Built for tomorrow, this remarkable polymer banknote combines innovation, durability, and trusted security into one extraordinary national symbol. Every transaction continues the remarkable journey of this Philippine polymer banknote, where innovation, security, and national trust come together forever.
More than currency, this remarkable polymer banknote has become a lasting symbol of innovation, security, and national pride throughout the Philippines.
Every microscopic detail reflects decades of research, precision engineering, and continuous innovation dedicated to protecting the nation's currency.
Its remarkable journey never truly ends, because every transaction begins another chapter in the life of this trusted polymer banknote. Advanced science, precision engineering, and trusted security come together in one extraordinary symbol of the modern Philippines today.
From innovation to everyday trust, the Philippine 1,000 peso polymer banknote continues protecting every transaction for generations to come.